Hey guys, Sean Bougie, surplusfundsriches.net, and today we're going to be talking about deniers, the people that don't believe the money is there, and how you are the problem, not them. Okay? I'm going to get you past the whole denial thing that you're facing, the mistrust, the disbelief. We'll get through all of that. So first and foremost, 99% of the time it's your script, guys. I hate to say it, but you don't tell them where the money is held or how it was created. Okay? Your way of approaching these people is, hey, listen, I know where there's money that you don't know about, and I'll help you get it, but I'm not going to tell you where it is. I'm not going to tell you where it is because that's part of my value. I mean, that's the gist of most of the scripts out there. Tell them where the money is. Tell them. Tell them what created it. Tell them how much it is. And try to strike a deal. If they disbelieve you at that point, that's okay. At least you have done full disclosure and thrown it out. Now, a lot of you guys out there are going, oh, but Sean, now they're going to go around me. Oh my God, they're going to go around me. You know what? Now that they know about the money where it is, they're going to go around me. No, they're not going to go around you because you're going to tell them that you'll use an attorney, because you will. Because if you don't use an attorney in this business, you're an idiot. Okay? You're going to use an attorney to get the money out, and if you do it our way, or if you're a researcher for us and let us do the negotiation for you and still make a great commission using our programs, if you do that, we're going to give them an upfront buyout, structured buyout. So in other words, let's say there's 50 grand there, and I agree to pay the guy 30, and I'm going to pay 5 grand in attorney fees, and I'm going to pay you as a researcher anywhere from 4 to 8 grand, depending on which program you get, right? I'm going to give him 5,000 up front, and the other 25,000 when I successfully get the money out. I'm on the hook for the attorney. If I'm not able to get the money out, they get to keep the 5 grand. They just had a foreclosure. They're broke. Are they going with you, or are they going with me? Okay? But you really need to ask yourself, guys, if you're not telling them where the money is. I mean, honestly, if somebody calls me and says, hey, I know there's money that you don't know about, first thing I'm going to do is put them off, because I'm going to check the state sites and all that stuff, right? Everybody, I'm going to see if I can find it. So you've already lost time doing this, okay? The second thing is, again, I am going to be wondering when you're going to ask me to float you $200 to start the process to get you your money back, okay? Because it's going to be a scam. So watch your script. Being upfront, full disclosure, does not hurt you as long as you do it our way. The second thing is you're too invested in making them believe it. Seriously, you're too invested in it. Look, if you're not coming across matter of fact and sincere, they're out. They're out the door. They do not believe you. Okay? And I'm going to come to the last technique that's the most important after I go through these 4 items. Number 3, you're not using an attorney. Guys, if you're not using an attorney in surplus funds, even if it's a matter of filling out a claim form, in my opinion, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. It's way too easy. If they sign a power of attorney to our attorney and sign a structured buyout agreement, they're not going around me. They're going around you. They're going around you. They're going to make that claim without you. But once they sign the power of attorney to my attorney, they're not doing that. And my attorney gets it out in the claimant's name, uses their trust account to break out the payment. Okay? Using an attorney is important. You're also too available. What I mean by that is you're letting them call you at 9 o'clock at night, 11:30 at night, 4 o'clock in the morning, and you're picking the phone up. Set some boundaries. They're not going to take you seriously if you don't have boundaries set. Nobody is. They're going to be like, this guy, I can push this guy around all I want. Okay? Finally, you've got to incorporate a takeaway letter. Hearing it on the phone versus seeing it on paper where you say, hey, look, you're not returning my call, or hey, we had a conversation and you're not calling me back. There's X amount of dollars there. We'll use an attorney to get it out. Or if you're with the BBB rated, if you go into it and you go, by the way, if you don't want to use us, please let us know. We'll stop contacting you. And by the way, Mr. Johnson, if you don't contact us, we're going to take one last check to see if there's additional debt against the property that might have a priority claim. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can work them instead. Ring! Phone rings, they call you like crazy. Why? Because Zig Ziglar said it best. The fear of loss outweighs the desire for gain. Hope this has helped you guys. surplusfundsriches.net. Have a great day.